Hi Fiestas! Welcome to the Feast Queen, and today we're gonna cook one of the most delicious and easiest winter dessert. So let's get started. First we're gonna add half cup of butter, bring the shredded carrots.
Here are shredded carrots, and we're gonna add 1.5 kg of shredded carrots.
So it's time to mix our shredded carrots. Are
Okay,
you
now,
ready?
yes, now let's mix it slowly. Oh,
Oh my gosh, be careful while mixing it.
okay, now we let it cook until the carrots will soft. Okay, stir it occasionally to avoid burning.
Oh my god, it looks so yummy.
Yeah.
But it's not ready yet. We
No.
need to wait for a while.
First, we're gonna add sugar and then milk, and
Okay.
let it simmer.
Okay.
It will take some time.
I'm so excited.
Yes, it is exciting, but it will take some time to cook. And you can see the carrots are getting soft now.
We need to cook it for 5-10 minutes more, I guess.
Yeah, I think 5 will be enough.
Okay. Then we'll add
Sugar
same
in it.
quantity of milk, not sugar. What's wrong with you? Are you getting hungry? No. Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, you can hear the sizzling sound in carrots.
That makes me so hungry.
Yeah.
Now you can see the extra water of the carrots has been dried out. Now it's time to add milk.
Yes.
So let them cook for 5 to 10 minutes more to make them more tender. Are you ready, Anna?
Yes, and I'm going to add 2 liters of milk in it. Now we let it simmer until the milk evaporates.
So keep stirring occasionally.
Okay, at this point you will set the flame too high
Yes.
until it starts boiling.
So it means we have to wait.
Yes.
And now you can see the milk start boiling.
Yes, now we set the flame to medium, and this is the time when we'll stir it occasionally to avoid burning. And we'll let it simmer until the milk evaporates. As you can see, the milk has started evaporating, and we'll let it simmer until it will completely evaporate. And keep scraping the sides and the bottom.
So it will not get burnt.
Yes. At this point, I'm going to add 2 cardamom pods.
Okay. You're gonna stir it again.
Yes.
Okay. You see, almonds ready.
Yeah. Almost most of the milk has evaporated, but you can see it's still wet. And we're going to evaporate it completely.
Yes, it's still visible. I can see that. Means soon it's gonna be done, right?
Yes. Then we'll add sugar in it.
Oh, okay. When it's completely dry out, then we'll add sugar.
Yes.
All right.
You see, there's still some traces of milk in it.
Yeah. A lot of milk. Now you can see the milk is completely dry. So it's time to add sugar. I'm gonna add sugar, 1.5 cup. Okay, stir it until the mixture incorporates with the sugar.
Okay, now you see it's almost as cooked. So the final step, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter in it.
Okay, let's try another one. This is the final step. Let's mix it and our carrot halwa is ready, almost. It's ready now. Garnish it with Khoya nuts, serve it hot and enjoy it in this chilling weather. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.